Getting ready to run the electric from my, can you see the meter there? So I'm gonna run it here. I started the pipe here. I kind of moved it over, but I didn't want, on this side I got my fiber internet here, electrical here, so I wanted to push it on this side. The line or the conduit comes around here, gets out away from the house a bit because we're kind of thinking we might add a room on back here in this little area, just kind of a additional sitting room next to the bedroom there. So I wanted to get it out of the way of that. Come through here, go around the septic tank. The conduit goes under the, right here was the line that comes out of the septic tank with the fresh water that gets, ran in the sprinklers out there. So, and then it pretty much just runs straight over to the garage shop here. Hey Riley, hey Chip. Say hi to the pups. So that's the 2-inch conduit here that goes from the house to here, and then I've got I think this is 1.5, 1.25 conduit that goes from here. It goes out to the greenhouse on the back side of the greenhouse there. So can you see it? There's the little pipe there. Shows the conduit on that end. So now I just need to get my line ran. So I'm going to try the vacuum method. I'm going to set up a vacuum here, then I'll put the conduit in each side, and we'll see how it goes. Let me get everything set up. All right, I got the shop vac set up. I got the little, I don't even know what this adapter is for. Kind of nasty. Anyway, luckily it just fits right down in the pipe, and we'll probably go in most size pipes, so it'll work out pretty well. The vacuum, and now I'm going to walk to the other end and see what we got. All right, here we are at the other end. Not sure how well you can hear it. We're definitely getting some good suction on this side. So I've got my line. Let's see, I think this is like $16.98, $17 at Lowe's. I've got a bag from somewhere. I didn't do much with the bag other than just tie the string on the handle, so we'll see how that works. And now we've lost suction, so it must be good on the other end. Let's go check it. But that went through incredibly quick. And there's the bag. That was incredibly easy. Incredibly easy. Almost too easy. All right, now let's move on to the next pipe. We'll get it set up and do the same thing. All right, ready for the other end here, or the 2-inch pipe, and you can see that goes down in there, fits pretty well. Let's go to the other end and get her set up. Likely should have removed the cap over here first. Yeah, definitely got some suction. That's a good thing. So it did pretty good, and now we're stopped. So let me go make sure it shuts this thing off. And there we go. Definitely pulled out a little bit of dirt out of there, but obviously dirt would have leaked in when I was trying to get all this put together. The conduit's a mess to get put together. It's like, I don't know how much you guys have done with it, but it's like, especially when you go about 24 inches or so deep, do you put it together on top and drop it down in there, or do you try to put it together once it's in the ground? There wasn't really a good solution there, but anyway, I got it done. So just my analysis here, this thing worked great. The suction, I mean, this line is probably, I'm trying to think how much conduit. I got about 130 feet because it goes around the septic system, and it sucked it through in a matter of, I don't know, 5-6 seconds. It was pretty quick. And this one may be 100 foot out to the greenhouse, and it got it out there in no time. So it did a great job. This is definitely the way to go. Now, that being said, I've seen people do both ways. Some people pull in a stronger rope and then pull the electric line, and some people pull the electric line with this. I believe the container of this line said it was 120 pound pull strength. So I don't know. I may have to try it with this, and then if I break one, it's easy enough to put a new line in here. But anyway, that'll be the next part of this. Thanks for watching, guys. Go check us out, subscribe, like this video, and comment. If I did anything wrong, please tell me. I'm still learning what I'm doing, but appreciate you guys. Thanks.